Welcome to Tech News This Week, where we discuss all things tech. This week, host Anton Gonsalves is joined by Esther Ayau to discuss AI washing, Alex Kulafi to discuss the latest enterprise security concerns, and Mackenzie Holland to discuss decentralized social networks and regulatory challenges. Let's start by diving into AI washing. What is AI washing? The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, is keeping a close eye on the authenticity of vendor claims that their product contains artificial intelligence, AI. Those found to be making false claims about what a product can do with AI have been labeled as AI washing, and may face fines and penalties. Knowing this, it's easy to see why making false claims about AI can cause serious long-term damage and lead to mistrust. It's just a warning to say, hey, we know that AI is all the hype right now, but dial back your advertising and make sure that your product is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, or what you're promising it's supposed to do. We're not in a science fiction world, we're still in a world of reality. We're still in a world of tangibility, so let's make sure we're all on an even playing field, said Ayau. Moving on to the second topic of this week's show, ransomware. Ransomware has been one of the main enterprise security concerns in the past few years, making it difficult to defend against. Traditionally, ransomware used a double extortion model. Data was both encrypted and stolen from the victim network in order to blackmail them. However, there are new extortion models emerging now, such as the triple extortion method and extortionware. Despite this, multiple vendors have reported slightly more promising numbers in recent years. Finally, we'll be discussing decentralized social networks and regulatory challenges. Decentralized platforms such as Mastodon work differently than other centralized networks like Twitter and Facebook. These type of social networks have made it difficult for US lawmakers to regulate, as there is no single authority over them. The goal of the Mastodon network is to move the power away from the established companies and create a structure that is unique to itself. That's it for today's episode of Tech News This Week. AI washing, ransomware tactics, and decentralized regulation challenges were all discussed in this episode. Be sure to follow Tech News This Week on Spotify, Amazon, or wherever you get your podcasts.